Another alert now. Another severe
The
thunderstorm
National
warning.
Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Johnson County in north central Texas, northeastern Hood County in north central Texas, until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:33 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Godley, or 9 miles east of Granbury, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 65 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Burleson, Cleburne, Granbury, Keene, Joshua, Alvarado, Pecan Plantation, Godley, Cross Timber, Lake Pat Cleburne, Cleburne State Park, Parker, Decadova, Rio Vista, Crescent, Bear Oaks,
Oh, my
Coles,
accident.
Sand Flat, and Egan.
I accidentally
This
clicked stop
includes
by
Interstate
accident.
35W between mile markers 22 and 37. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.